We know about the different parts of a drill machine and the drill bit. Now, let's learn how to use the drill machine. Please pay attention to the demonstration.
Step 1. Connect the drill machine to the electrical point. Step 2. Check the drill machine by pressing the on button. Step 3. Hold the angles and mark the holes with a pencil. Marking the holes with a pencil is very important as it helps to mark the area for the actual drilling. Step 4. Point the drill machine to the wall. Step 5. Start drilling.
Jatin, can you see how easy it is to drill the marked holes?
Yes, sir.
If you had used a hammer or nail, you would have damaged the wall, as it would have cracked. The drill machine is the most efficient method to make a hole in the wall.